How to make a jet aircraft. Fold in half and unfold to show the auxiliary lines, then fold both edges into triangles. Turn over and fold the end of the cord along the auxiliary line toward the center point. Fold both sides at an angle to the auxiliary line, belly folding. Fold along the center crease backwards, fold down one side of the wing. Fold the back side in the same way. Insert your finger to make the shape of the nose of the plane. Done. Thanks for watching.